welcome back. So last time you guys see me, the G80 Frosty did not have any tints on it. It was brand spanking new out the dealership, but we did go ahead and we got some tints. Let's take a look at this baby. All right, so we're literally on our way to the tint place right now. The place that's also gonna do my PPFs, my matte PPFs. We're gonna get this fishbowl tinted, man. I'm tired of being in a fishbowl. It should be happening today, I guess. I have a few hours left in them. But I can't wait to see what this looks like, bro. Like, having a car with no tints is just weird when you get tints on every car you ever had, you know what I'm saying? So, tints gotta be done. And then hopefully tomorrow, the PPF can get started. But I would at least rather get the tints done today. That way, they don't keep my car for too long when they're doing a PPF. So, yeah, man, we're on our way there. See? So I told y'all, man, we was on the way to the tint shop. Literally just got it tinted. Shout out to the tint genius, for real. Shout out to the tint genius. Yo, bro, I'm actually more in love now that this car is tinted than it was before. Let's take a look at this beauty that they did, man. Boom. 35% on the outside. I'm sorry, 20% all around. 35% on the windshield. It's fucking lovely. I absolutely love this shit. It looks so much better now. Next thing that we're doing to this baby is the Stealth Matte PPF. It's gonna be like a white matte, and then we're gonna get a ceramic coating on top of that, and it's going to be absolutely lovely, man. Oh my God, look at it. So beautiful. God damn, it's the best thing I think I've ever done in my life. Look at her now. Frosty, getting real frosty. It's getting there. She's certainly getting there, man. Certainly getting there. One step at a time, you feel what I'm saying? So we got 20 all around, ceramic windshields. I mean, ceramic, what do you call it? Tints, ceramic tints. 35 on the windshield. And you can't really see into it, not gonna lie. I was thinking about getting 20 on the windshield, but I was like, I kind of want people to see just a little bit. Like if you get really close, maybe. But I didn't want it to be blackout dark either. So I was like, 35 around, 20 around, 35 on the windshield, that should be cool. I think I had that on my last car, so. But look at her, she's beautiful. We actually just bought a couple of things from Walmart to get her washed up. You feel what I'm saying? My baby's about to take her first bath. Oh my God, Lord have mercy. I am sweating, bro. I got a long sleeve because I went to a motorcycle class today. Here's a couple pictures if you want to see that. I'm actually getting my motorcycle license on top of just buying this G80. But she's finally clean, man. Thank God. I noticed a couple things. Something on the door, particularly. So it's real. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get that. I'm gonna try again. I can try a little harder to get that. I may be able to get it. I don't know. But that was the only thing I noticed. Kind of sucks because it's 2025 straight off the dealership, but whatever, man. Frosty, we're gonna get you a name tag and everything. Frosty is gonna be beautiful out here. Man, if y'all enjoyed the video, make sure y'all smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, see that Frosty update. The next thing we got coming is that matte PPF. That Stealth Matte PPF is going to be absolutely beautiful. She is going to be looking sexy in matte white. Can't wait. Then we'll really call her Frost. Oh, Lord. It's going to be amazing. But like I said, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel. We out. Peace.